lawns and in open meadows, you're going to find these plants that have rosettes of leaves. Sometimes they're broad, sometimes they're more narrow and spoon-like and spreading out, but always in these sort of rosette clusters on the ground. And coming up from them will be, directly from the ground, will be these stalks. And at the tips of the stalks will be clusters of their flowers, but you may not notice them or recognize them as flowers because these are flowers that are fit for dispersing their pollen on the wind. These are not insect pollinated plants. They are thought to be related to snapdragons, which have obviously showy flowers and are insect pollinated. So here you see the stalk coming up directly from the rootstock and the basal rosette of leaves. And you'll notice that there's this sort of area of brown scaly structures. Those are dried up sepals and petals from the flowers that have already bloomed. And then you get to this point where there's a transition between the brown scaly areas and the sort of all green area that has not opened yet. Right in that zone between, you'll find some anthers hanging out. Those are the anthers that are releasing pollen to the wind, and there should be little styles also sticking out in about the same area, being able to catch the pollen on the wind. So they start blooming at the base and bloom toward the tip, and of course at the tip you've got the growing point. It's still growing, and it's producing more and more flowers, and it'll keep getting longer and longer to a certain age. And the zone of flowering will continue moving up the stem.